Tiny Parisian kitchen makeover, engineering pneumatic vertical pantries for zero-waste living. Welcome to Back Adaptive Living Space Channel. This tiny Parisian kitchen didn't greet me with charm. It greeted me with resistance. Narrow walls pressed inward, storage felt improvised, and daily cooking seemed like a negotiation with space. But instead of asking how to decorate it, I asked a different question. How can design think for us? This project became less about style and more about re-engineering how a kitchen behaves. Living in a compact Parisian apartment means every movement matters. You don't just walk, you pivot, adjust, and adapt constantly. This kitchen revealed how poorly traditional layouts respond to that reality. The problem wasn't size, it was friction. Too many unnecessary steps, too much reaching, too little logic behind placement. Many small kitchens are treated like visual projects. Nice finishes, curated shelves, soft lighting. But aesthetics alone don't solve daily inefficiencies. I wanted to move beyond decoration and into function-first design. Something that doesn't just look good in photos, but genuinely improves how the space performs in real life. Before designing anything, I spent time observing how someone actually uses a kitchen like this. Where do they pause? Where do they struggle? Where do they waste time? These small inefficiencies added up. That observation phase shaped everything that followed, making the final design feel intuitive rather than imposed. The biggest realization came from simply looking upward. Vertical space is often treated as static, just shelves or cabinets. But what if verticality could move? What if storage adapted to us instead of forcing us to adapt to it? That idea changed the entire direction of the project. This is where pneumatic engineering entered the conversation. Instead of fixed cabinets, we designed vertical pantry units that move using air-assisted mechanisms. With a light pull, shelves descend smoothly into reach. Release them and they rise back up. It's a subtle motion, but it changes everything about how the kitchen feels. Pneumatic systems are often used in industrial environments for efficiency and ease of motion. Bringing that into a kitchen might sound excessive, but in a tight space, reducing effort matters. No heavy lifting, no awkward stretching. The system quietly supports your movement, making daily tasks feel lighter. What surprised me most wasn't the mechanism itself, but how natural it felt to use. There's something almost satisfying about the smooth rise and fall of the pantry. It responds gently without resistance. That tactile experience adds a human layer to what could otherwise feel mechanical. Of course, in a Parisian interior, visible machinery would feel out of place. So the challenge was concealment. Clean panels, soft tones, and minimal seams hide the system entirely. What you see is calm and elegant. What you don't see is a highly engineered solution working quietly in the background. One unexpected benefit of vertical movement is visual breathing room. When the pantry is lifted, the walls feel lighter, less crowded. It's not about adding square meters, it's about removing visual weight. That shift makes the kitchen feel more open. even though nothing physically expanded. This design isn't just about convenience, it's about responsibility. The pantry layout encourages zero-waste habits. Transparent containers, clearly defined zones, and accessible storage make it easier to track what you have. When everything is visible and reachable, overbuying becomes less likely. Instead of aiming for a picture-perfect pantry, the focus was usability. Each vertical section serves a clear purpose: grains, spices, dry goods. The system doesn't demand perfection. It supports consistency. It adapts to real habits, not idealized ones. Materials were chosen with durability and sustainability in mind. Reclaimed wood adds warmth, while matte finishes reduce visual noise. The goal wasn't luxury for the sake of it, but materials that age well and reduce the need for constant replacement. lighting was integrated directly into the moving pantry units. As the shelves descend, soft illumination reveals their contents. This isn't just aesthetic, it's practical. In a narrow kitchen, shadows can make storage frustrating. Good lighting removes that friction instantly. Sound plays a bigger role than we often realize. A noisy mechanism would break the calm of the space. That's why the pneumatic system was tuned for near silence. The movement is almost unnoticeable, contributing to a more peaceful kitchen environment. The layout was reorganized around how people actually cook. Preparation, cooking, and storage zones were aligned to minimize unnecessary movement. The vertical pantry sits exactly where it's needed, reducing steps and making the entire process more fluid. There's something deeply satisfying about a space that responds to you. When storage comes to you instead of the other way around, it creates a subtle emotional shift. The kitchen feels supportive, almost collaborative, rather than demanding. Integrating this system into an older Parisian building wasn't simple. Structural limitations, ceiling strength, and installation precision required careful planning. Innovation often looks effortless on the surface, but it's built on layers of problem-solving behind the scenes. This project changed how I think about luxury. It's not about size or expensive finishes. It's about how a space functions and how it makes you feel. A small kitchen can feel luxurious if it removes stress and supports your daily life. In the end, this tiny Parisian kitchen isn't just a makeover. It's a shift in perspective. By combining engineering, thoughtful design, and sustainable thinking, we created a space that works harder without feeling complicated. It proves that even the smallest kitchens can hold big ideas when design truly understands people.
Mm-hmm.